Hello everyone, my name is Bhor and I come from India. I work in Politecnico di Milano. On the side, I also do some fashion modeling. So I'm also a fashion model, a photo model to be precise, and I also participate in a lot of fashion shows and photo shootings in Milan. You can follow me on my Instagram, bhor_dubey, and you can also follow my YouTube channel called Good Morning Expat on YouTube. I am passionate about traveling, meeting new people, and I call myself a global citizen.